Welcome to our tutorial on how to search in Discord conversations on your Android device. Discord is a popular platform for chatting with friends and communities, and being able to search for specific messages can be a real time saver. To start, open the Discord app on your Android device. Once the app is open, tap on the magnifying glass icon at the top of the screen. This will bring up the search bar where you can enter the message you want to search for. After typing in your search query, tap on a result to open the conversation containing that message. From there, you can scroll through the conversation and find the message you were looking for. If you want to jump straight to the message in question, tap on Jump to Message at the bottom of the screen. This will take you directly to the specific message you searched for, making it quick and easy to find what you're looking for. And there you have it. Searching in Discord conversations on your Android device is simple and efficient with these easy steps. Thanks for watching.